Let's go to page 444 and let's do number 11. So read through the problem. This is a ratio problem, and so this has to do with the Earth and the Moon. Okay. So it tells you that the weight of Earth to the Moon is 6-1. Now make sure you line things up very carefully. Okay. And then it says how much would a 150-pound person weight on the Moon. So on the person on Earth is 150 pounds. Okay, and how much will it weight on the Moon? Okay, so again, line up your columns, and then you just make into a fraction, and you cross multiply. So you got 6W equal to 150, and you divide by 6, and so W will equal to 25 pounds. Let's go to number 12. I can read through the problem first. Okay, so again, this has to do with the weight. Okay, so it says a ratio of person's weight on the Mars. So you can make sure you follow the order exactly. So Mars to person. So number 12. So Mars to a person's weight on Earth. So this is Mars to Earth, and it's 2 to 5. Okay, so how much would 196-pound person weight on the Mars? So the weight on Mars when the person is 196 pounds on Earth. Okay, so read carefully and line things up. You can make into an equation and you cross multiply. Okay, so you got 5W equal to, okay, get your calculator. So you get 2 times 196, so you get 392. Then you divide by 5, Okay, so you're going to get 78.4 pounds. Okay, let's go to number 13. I can read through. So the ratio is a ratio of the weight of the lead to the weight of an equal one of aluminum. Okay, so you have the lead to aluminum is 21 to 5. Okay, it says if an aluminum bar weighs 150 pounds. Okay. So if aluminum bar weighs 150 pounds, what will the lead bar of the same size weight? Okay, so I'm going to call the weight. Okay, so make into equation and you can cross multiply. So you got 5W equal to, I'm not going to multiply out. Okay, I'm just going to leave it this way. And I'm going to divide by 5, so this will cancel out. And the reason is that so I can do it without calculator. So 5 and 150 you can cancel between 30, and so when you multiply you get 630 pounds. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 14. Okay, so it's a ratio of the platinum to copper. Okay, would be 12 to 5. Okay, so if a platinum bar weighs 18 pounds, okay, what would the copper bar weight? Okay, so you can make sure you line up the column exactly, and so make into an equation. Then after you can cross multiply. So you got 12W equal to multiply, so you get 90. Then you can divide by 12, so use your calculator. So you got 90, so this cancel out, so you got 90 divided by 12 equal to 7.5 pounds. Okay. Yeah, let's go to number 15. Okay, number 15. It says on first 6.5 hours of their shift, a fire crew built 26 chain of fire lines. Okay, so this is hours, and this is number of chains, right? So 6.5, we build 26. Okay, how much fire line can they build in the remaining of the 10-hour day? Okay, so how much more can they build in the remaining time? So it's a 10-hour day, so they already did 6.5, so remaining day will be 3.5. Okay, so basically ask how much more can they build for the rest of the day. Okay, so again, so their total 10 hours, they already did 6.5, 6.5, so you only got 3.5 hours left to do. Okay, so they want to figure out how many more can they do with the rest of the time. Okay, so again, you make into, so you have to read problem carefully to interpret. Okay, so it's cross multiply, so you got 6.5x equal to, okay, so you multiply, so 3.5 times 26 equal 91, and then you divide by 6.5, divide by 6.5, so x will equal to, divide by 6.5 equal 14. Okay, let's go to number 16. Again, read through the problem first. Okay, it says a city agency inform a local business woman for that every 5,000 worth of sale that he made. So okay, so sales. So 5,000. So every 5,000 sales that she made, her business license fee would be $15. Okay. Now it says if the woman's sales totals 125,000 for the year, how much was her license fee? So I'm going to call it X, right? Okay, again, make into an equation, then you can cross multiply. So 5,000x equal to 15 times 125,000. Again, I'm not going to multiply out yet. And after that, to solve for x, you divide by 5,000, divide by 5,000. So this will cancel out. And from here, you can go and get your calculator and you can work it out. And so this will give you $375. So get your calculator, work it out.